As you can hear, the ear speaker in this iPhone 11 is severely distorted and needs replacing. If you replace the whole ear speaker circuit, you will lose Face ID, so the best choice is to desolder it from the original front flex and then solder a replacement ear speaker onto your front flex. It's a good idea to use solder flux when you're working with solder. So just apply that to the two solder points there before we tin and apply some soldering wire. This gets a good amount of solder on the contact points, which will help it stay in place once it's soldered with a reliable connection. This is a pretty easy soldering job to do, so if you're not used to soldering, I still reckon you could do it. Go slow, make sure you got a good soldering iron, and use solder flux and good solder wire. I'm just going to solder the last point on this ear speaker and then it's all done. Okay, after putting it back in the phone, this is how it sounds. Much better.